our 220 voltage electric rice warmer and cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall height, we have at least 11 inches without the lid, 13¼ inches. Measurements for the actual bowl, we have at least 14¼ inches, and the height we have 6½ inches. Cup and scooper included. And beneath are the functions to keep warm and cook. Coming here is your 220 and 240 plug. And beneath is your ETL certification and all the information about this rice cooker. For more information, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.